Rome was destroyed. Greece was destroyed. Persia was destroyed. Spain was destroyed. All great countries are destroyed. Why not yours? How much longer do you think your country will last? Forever?
Block the entrances, close the doors. Seal the exits, 'cause this is war. All give some give all. But for what? I wanna know. Carry on, don't mind me. All I gave was everything, and yet you asked me for more. Fought your fight, fought your life, and in return I lost my life. What purpose does that serve? Set this right. Welcome to the new dark ages. Yeah, I hope you're living right. These are the new dark ages, and the world might end tonight. Now come you children, one and all. Let's heed Ezekiel's calling. Fight until the word is good and ripe, and get plucked clean out of sight. The world will be erased. Our king will be immaculate, ejaculated space before the king of kings' love. He'll snatch us from above. Brothers, help me sing it. Welcome to the new dark ages. Yeah, I hope you're living right. These are the new dark ages, and the world might end tonight.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the San Francisco City Office of Emergency Management Agency in tandem with the California Emergency Management Agency. This is an update pertaining to the investigation being done into the reports made about mysterious, harmless apple green-colored fires in places such as directly on the waters of the Bay Area near the Golden Gate Bridge, on various parts of the Presidio District Park area, the Embarcadero and other multiple areas over the city. The suspect in these fires is still unidentified by local and state law enforcement agencies. Nobody in the San Francisco Arson Investigations Department has heard of green non-burning fire either. Also, while not involved in this case yet, the CAJU Emergency Agency of the Ozarks may need to be brought in on the matter, as the suspect has the potential to be non-human due to prior stated reasons. Should a CAJU be spotted in the area, the California Emergency Management Agency says be ready to evacuate immediately, as creatures of CAJU size mean that sheltering in place is not an effective method to save your life. As such, please pay attention to all future media and EAS transmissions on this situation, as it could escalate quickly.
When roads disappeared, I followed the rivers, but somehow got in over my head. So a deep breath I'm taking. Wait for
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Kansas City Fire Department. This message is an update to the green fires spotted all over the city by authorities and the public just before dawn this morning. The perpetrator of these mysterious green-colored non-harmful fires of unknown origin or starting method is still unknown. It is of notice to the public that outside agencies, such as the KEAO, may need to be brought in to assist in investigating this matter to a deeper extent. Authorities within the KEAO Emergency Agency of the Ozarks want to stress to the public that the cause of these unusual fires is still unknown, but wants the public to be fully prepared to evacuate should a KEAO be the cause, or these fires start to cause harm to property or life. As a reminder by the KEAO, KEAO evacuation routes are marked by red signs with the KEAO symbol on them, as well as an arrow telling you which way to go. It is recommended you follow these routes via driving, as running on foot from a KEAO can be lethal, as KEAO have been known to travel as fast or faster than supercell thunderstorms seen in the plains.
And on that day they'll tell you that life hold on with no clue. The warning signs were all dismissed or shouted down. That's how it goes. The kings all failed to tell us. The madmen failed to sell us on what would then be for the only life we know. Were they burning signal fires to guide us to the fields, or building funeral pyres? The outcome of a final appeal.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the Christian County Sheriff's Office, in conjunction with the Ozark Police Department as well as the KEAO Emergency Agency of the Ozarks. Police and KEAO authorities are now officially seeking the public's assistance in finding an individual possibly connected to the fires spotted in Sacramento, CA, San Francisco, CA, and Kansas City. This individual was last spotted at a Burger King located at the intersection of Jackson Street and 17th Street, showing off holding green fire in her palm to some people who were eating there. The appearance of the individual as they were last seen by these eyewitnesses before she vanished in a flash of green fire is as follows. The person of interest is reported to be 6 feet, 6 inches tall, weighs around 280 pounds and has a pudgy figure. They have a Caucasian, maybe even a slight Asian complexion according to some eyewitnesses. This individual is also known to be a female with medium-length dark cerulean hair, glowing apple green painted fingernails and toenails, and was last seen wearing a black short-sleeved t-shirt with a pair of apple green equine-like eyes on the back of it, as well as black shorts, and crystal-clear tennis shoe-like footwear. Authorities ask that if you spot this individual that you do not approach them, as it is uncertain if they are dangerous or armed, despite the friendly demeanor shown when last seen. Also, if you spot this person of interest, you should dial 911 or the Christian County Police Department.
Returning now, WYZZ weather intern Mackenzie Shell. She's back with us, back in action. How you feeling right now?
A little bit nervous, to be honest with you.
So everybody,
just bear with me.
This is Mackenzie's debut. I'm going to let her handle it from here. She's going to do the full forecast right now herself. So take it away, Mackenzie.
The sunshine is starting to poke through on our Goods Furniture Skycam in Peoria. I'm very happy to see that sunshine poking through because I love the sun. But those showers and storms that were currently in Lower McLean County are moving out of the area, and those clouds are moving out of the area as well. We do have a flash flood warning in effect now for Lower McLean County until 10 p.m. or 10 a.m. excuse me, because that storm that went through earlier did produce 2 inches of rain. We are expecting more showers and storms.
This message is transmitted at the request of the Cajun Emergency Agency of the Ozarks in conjunction with NASA. At 3 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, astronomers within the New Mexico facility of the National Radio Astronomy Observatory detected an undetermined exact count, but high amount of objects of alien biological origin traveling at a high rate of speed in our solar system. It is currently unknown if the human or humanoid, female last seen in Ozark, Missouri, is in any way connected to these creatures, nor is the intent and motives of these alien beings known. The exact location of these creatures, as detected by the NRAO, is 1 Earth-to-Moon distance from Mars. NASA and the KEAO both suggest for the public to pay close attention to future developments on this matter, as matters could escalate quickly. The United States government thanks the public for their cooperation.
Yes, well, as I am sure you all heard 15 minutes ago, there were reports that creatures of unknown type were spotted out in space heading our way. And now I am seeing news sources, credible ones such as NPR, no Fox News crap here, saying these entities have vanished off all forms of radar and surveillance. Hang on. We are getting an activation of the EAS. Please stand by here on KQRA.
The final season is coming.
I'm so sorry. Indigestion.
That's right.
Emily's here!
It's the
This message is transmitted at the request of the KEA Emergency Agency of the Ozarks, in conjunction with the White House. The KEA wants residents all over this great nation to understand that authorities are doing the best they can to keep the citizens of the USA, and in connection the Earth, safe. As such, authorities ask that the small riots occurring in several towns all over the United States cease. Should these riots and looting not cease in an appropriate timely manner, then the state National Guards of the affected cities will step in to handle this matter with force. Force that we as a nation cannot afford to use on ourselves given the potential for a hostile force to be nearby. The KEA Emergency Agency of the Ozarks thanks the public for its cooperation in this difficult time. This message is transmitted at the request of the KEA Emergency Agency of the Ozarks, also with assistance by several governmental agencies. At 8 a.m. Eastern Time, it has been confirmed that the number of these creatures flying from an unknown location in the universe totaled somewhere in the 100,000 count. The human last seen a day ago still has not been spotted yet, and no connection has yet been made between her, this new entity, and the EAS tampering incident now experienced over an hour and a half ago. As the creatures are now within sight of most visual satellites and some civilian telescopes, the Department of Defense is going to DEFCON 3, with military personnel ready and flexible to be able to sustain DEFCON 2 if this group of creatures of unknown intent comes closer or attacks from where they are. It is also unknown if these creatures are hiding a cage in their midst via undetectable and stealth means outside modern limits of technology. Should a hostile cage appear, be ready to evacuate immediately without delay. The U.S. government thanks you for your cooperation.
It's a game you've been playing, so fuck you're the sheep. It's a bad bad assault that has lulled you to sleep. It's a lie and you fell for it, a blind sinker. A hand that you should have been gave you the finger. A thought out of fake, a cowardly king. A lie in your face, but you still kiss the ring. This is the breakdown, this is the breakdown, this is the breakdown. I'm standing here holding our ground, come what may. Like a ghost taunts from beyond the grave. Welcome to the breakdown.
This message is being transmitted at the request of NASA and the National Radio Astronomy Observatory. It is now confirmed, via authorities and the public, that the flying swarm seen flying towards Earth has now broken off into smaller swarms. In addition, These creatures have these identifying features. They have bipedal body figures, night black fur, hooves, with equine-like heads that have a singular, semi-crooked horn on it. They have ocean blue eyes and fly via the use of opaque insectoid wings. Their mouths have fangs, though those fangs serve a purpose that is unidentifiable at this time. As these creatures have started to work their way into its atmosphere with no harm to them, it is presumed that they will hover in the air or do some other unknown action. As such, DEFCON status is now at 2 and military personnel is mobilizing in key strategic cities to try and gauge the intent of these entity swarms. As the intent is currently in an unknown status, the Kaiju Emergency Agency of the Ozarks discourages citizens from engaging or otherwise interacting with these alien beings, should they decide to fly down to ground level. Also, it is still advised to be on the lookout for the human lady with dark cerulean hair last spotted yesterday. She is now being listed as a person of interest in the cases of the fires as well as the EAS tampering this morning. The U.S. government thanks you for your cooperation during this situation.
Good afternoon. We are here awaiting further information on the situation regarding these alien creatures that appear to be now hovering at about half a mile above this city now. It seems that they are just hovering there. From my position, I can also see KEAO authorities at various points, presumably to keep an eye on whatever these creatures might be. My producer tells me he's heard speculation from other station DJs in the Sacramento area that these beings are called changelings, but I'm personally unsure. Oh shit. I just saw a section of the swarm break off and, oh gods, they are attacking. Folks, it looks like they are using a beam from their horns. Oh. No. We need to get to the basement now. But first, if we are going down, might as well go out with a bang. Here is our last song on air, Kadov Syndrome by Rise Against. Now let's get to the basement. All of you. Now,
They're high on the watchtower, keeping the peace, whatever that means. 'Cause you see the world through crosshairs and TVs, don't you? 10-foot walls built around
Sorry to interrupt regularly scheduled listening here on KSCG, but we have a rapidly developing situation here in the Sacramento area. These alien beings, whom I'm leading to believe based on info my producers and I have dug up in hasty research while our last song was playing. Oh gods, there was that laugh again. I don't know who is making that sinister laugh, but I'd put house money on it being their leader of some kind. These things, from my vantage point here on Madison Avenue, it's a grim one, folks. Please get inside now. These things are using their hornbeams too, and I won't put this lightly, murder. And oh fuck. They are somehow converting humans into one of them. I just saw one changeling's eyes glow green, causing a human's eyes to glow, and then they became one of those things. Hang on. Please stand by while we activate the emergency alert system on Sacramento's home for all things classic rock, 96.9 FM.
This urgent message is being transmitted at the request of the CAJU Emergency Agency of the Ozarks and the California Emergency Management Agency. A shelter-in-place warning is now in effect for the following major cities and associated suburbs in California: Sacramento, San Jose, Los Angeles, San Francisco, San Diego, Fresno, and Redding. Information has come in, via secure channels, that these cities are currently under attack from an alien species now being identified as changelings. These creatures, as told earlier, have the following traits. They have black fur, blue eyes, a semi-crooked horn, and opaque insectoid wings. They are also bipedal with hooved feet. In addition to that prior information, new disturbing info has come in regarding this alien species. It has been confirmed, by civilian eyewitness and agency authority witnesses, that these aliens somehow use their fangs to bite and, according to one of these creatures, suck the love from the humans they are targeting. After this fang bite is complete, the target of said bite then undergoes a transformation process into one of these aliens. Also, the governor and his appointed representative have both been converted into changelings while en route to their designated secure location. The status of the California members of Congress are unknown at this time. Given the violence of the current situation, it is highly advised to seek shelter from these creatures as modern weaponry is useless. The EAS has now been activated. All normal broadcasting will cease until the termination of this emergency. Stand by, as in a few minutes more information will be relayed to the public in these affected cities. This message is an update to the shelter-in-place warning issued 10 minutes ago. The shelter-in-place warning is now being expanded to include all of California. This is due to recently confirmed information. It has just been learned that there is a gigantic changeling in Clovis. This changeling is female, stands 400 feet tall, and has black fur. In addition, her horn is more crooked than the smaller swarms. She has shoulder-length dark cerulean hair and wears an emerald green shirt and shorts. She has announced herself as Queen Chrysalis and claims to want to take over this planet. She has allegedly displayed powers to teleport at will. As such, all of the state of California is urged to shelter in place to try to save your life from this hostile invasion. To shelter in place, close and lock all windows and doors, and shut off all heating and air conditioning units. If driving, seek shelter in a sturdy building if possible. If not, try to find a parking garage. If out in the open, stay in your car. This message will repeat. This message is being transmitted at the request of NORAD. This message is to let the people in soon-to-be affected cities know that they will be under attack by changeling forces shortly, as reinforcements for the species just arrived in our airspace. These cities are New York City NY, Boston MA, Buffalo NY, Washington DC, Tallahassee FL, Asheville NC, Fort Wayne IN, Champaign IL, Denver CO, Chicago IL, Branson MO, Oklahoma City OK, Dallas TX, Casper WY, Helena MT, and Seattle WA. If you are not in one of these cities, still be vigilant and keep an eye out for hostile changeling forces. This message will repeat.
Good afternoon, residents of Peoria. We are interrupting our music today to bring you continuing coverage of the changeling invasion and, to be honest, conversion of the human race. With more info, we go to our reporter live on the field, from where I understand is on Bob Michael Bridge over the Illinois River, and awaiting the flyover of these winged aliens, Jake Long. Jake, how is it out there?
Well, DJ Fallout, it's really not that great to be out here. It's storming. I am sure all who are listening to this broadcast can hear, and oh no. Damn it. NORAD lied. These things aren't hitting Chicago. They're diving right on Peoria. Guys. Run. Now.
This urgent message is being transmitted at the request of the Peoria City Police Department and the Illinois Emergency Management Agency. As it turns out, the changelings have taken a course diversion and attacked Peoria instead of Chicago. Residents of Peoria should shelter while they still can and avoid being converted. Also, the Peoria Police Department is urging citizens of Peoria to not try to attack these creatures, as officers can confirm that weaponry is unable to stun them due to deflections. These creatures are exceptionally effective at pulling off the magical means that humans are incapable of understanding with modern technology. Primarily the use of green beam-like entities emitted from their horns, although green force field-like structures have been spotted too in some cases. No matter which format of defenses you see on your way to shelter, the most important thing is to run. It is also important to not have strong scents around you, as it is becoming clear that these beings are attacking people with items bearing such qualities, such as powerfully scented foods and especially body sprays with even more ferocity than a normal attack, if such a thing is even possible by the species standards of hostility as shown during the course of this event. This message will repeat. This message is being transmitted at the request of the Burleigh County Emergency Management Agency. An immediate evacuation order is now in effect for all citizens within Burleigh County. There are disturbing reports coming in of Queen Chrysalis stomping on buildings, cars and people and using the rubble, in combination with the magical abilities she possesses, to start work on a new hive structure. Based on her own current size of 400 feet tall, and the amount in her hive, now projected to be in the millions, if accounting for converted former humans at a historical to present success rate of 90%, this evacuation order may need to be expanded in order to accommodate for the size of the hive the Queen needs. Also, given the fact that there are many changelings outside currently, to some, this may seem like a suicide mission, but alas, this is the best option that agency leaders could give to the public for them to at least have a shot at survival. Please stay tuned for future updates on the matter, as this is a rapidly changing situation.
This is a national emergency. Please stand by for the following information as it may help save your life. Event type is alien invasion by hostile species. A species now identified by multiple global defense agencies as changelings are invading Canada as we speak. This hostile alien species has the following appearance to them. They are bipedal, around 6 feet tall, have black fur with blue armor on a majority of them, hoods, blue eyes, and opaque insect-like wings as well as fangs. Their leader, identified as Queen Chrysalis, is much bigger at 400 feet tall, has a pudgy figure, and shoulder-length dark cerulean hair. She wears an emerald green shirt and green shorts with bare humanoid feet. The Canadian Department of National Defence suggests to all citizens in Canada to shelter in their homes or the building they are currently in. Being outdoors is heavily unadvised as these creatures kill and convert without mercy. Some members of these species have been also documented disguising themselves as people their targets love and recognize. To spot a fake, look for green glowing eyes. It is also with heavy hearts that we report that the Prime Minister has been subjugated and converted to one of these alien creatures. The status pertaining to the country's future is unknown. It is also advised you keep your listening and visual devices at a low volume, so as to prevent these creatures from spotting you as long as possible. Also, do not wear strong scents as these entities have powerful nasal glands. Please stay tuned for future updates on this matter.
C'est une urgence nationale. Veillez à ce que les informations suivantes vous aident à vous sauver la vie. Le type d'événement est l'invasion extraterrestre par des espèces hostiles. Une espèce maintenant identifiée par plusieurs agences de défense mondiale comme étant des changelings envahissent le Canada à l'heure où nous parlons. Cette espèce extraterrestre hostile a l'aspect suivant. Ils sont bipèdes, mesurent environ 6 pieds de haut, ont une fourrure noire avec une armure bleue sur la majorité d'entre eux, des sabots, des yeux bleus et un insecte opaque comme des ailes ainsi que des crocs. Leur chef, identifié comme la reine Chrysalie, est beaucoup plus grande et a une silhouette grassouillet et des cheveux céruléens noirs aux épaules. Elle porte une chemise vert émeraude et un short vert avec des pieds humanoïdes nus. Le ministère de la Défense nationale du Canada suggère à tous les citoyens canadiens de s'abriter chez eux ou dans l'immeuble où ils se trouvent. Le plein air est vivement déconseillé, car ces créatures tuent et se convertissent sans pitié. Certains membres de ces espèces ont également été documentés se déguisant en personnes que leurs cibles aiment et reconnaissent. Pour repérer un faux, recherchez des yeux brillants verts. C'est aussi avec le cœur lourd que nous rapportons que le Premier ministre a été soumis et converti en l'une de ces créatures extraterrestres. Le statut concernant l'avenir du pays est inconnu. Il est également conseillé de garder vos appareils d'écoute et les appareils visuels à un volume faible afin d'empêcher ces créatures de vous observer aussi longtemps que possible. Aussi, ne portez pas de parfum fort car ces entités ont des glandes nasales puissantes. S'il vous plaît, restez à l'écoute pour les mises à jour futures sur cette question.
Good evening, Los Angeles, or at least those who are still alive, human and listening on this frequency. This is likely the last day humanity exists on this world at the rate our invaders are converting us, so we've been playing music by our own Bad Religion, who I'm sure by now are all sadly a big group of changeling punks by now. Gods, I hope they keep their musically talented side as their new species. They were good rockers, knew them since their little start in the 80s. Anyway, I know that the punk rockers who are running the rock station over in Chicago plan on descending off the city with their homegrown group, so how about we do the same here? This is Bad Religion here on KLOS. Have a good life everyone as we go off the air.
This is a global emergency. This is not a test. Please stand by for a message authorized for release by the U.S. government. Please stand by. Please stand by. This message is transmitted at the request of the U.S. government, at the request of the U.S. President. Earth will soon succumb to this new and brutal alien force. They have effectively beaten our species and will soon take over this planet. Anyone who is still alive in the U.S. and listening to this frequency, we apologize for failing you. Please spend your last moments doing anything that makes you comfortable. Should one of these creatures, or especially their leader, Queen Chrysalis, approach you, go willingly and be converted knowing your own species gave their all and with pride. What's left of living members of humanity has been calculated to be fully converted to the changeling species within the next week at most. Although the timing is, let's face it, quite optimistic given the effectiveness of this hostile alien invasion force. This message will repeat for the next hour, after which all operations of the EAS will cease. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this time.
I won't deny that I'm inclined to isolate, dearly beloved, dearly beloved, dearly beloved. I can't relate to you.